ये जो ना दीवार गिर गई है तो हमें ये सोचना चाहिए ना, वरना द हिस्टोरिकल वॉल कोलैप्स, हु इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर दैट? देखिए दीवार गिर गई है, वो कोलैप्स हो गई ना. Why it is collapse? It's a question of a question. Why it is get collapse? Because of extreme hard climatic. This is a sandstone, one of the very expensive material. If I grind this material and mix with the lime, it is a binding material. Fantastic material, very expensive. Million, billion tons are available, but nobody is taking interest to utilize this material. Okay. And you can see the area, the bricks means larger size blocks are made of this material. I am a government servant, but we are responsible. Mr. Mangi is responsible. Everyone is responsible. Even you are responsible. Because we are not taking keen interest to come here and to start some research work here.